Guys, it's Defense Day. Pangiti-ngiti lang yan, pero kakatapos lang niya yung PPT niya.
Ang tulog. 0 hours of sleep.
Totoo? Hindi ka natulog?
Damn. Yeah.
So guys, we're walking to
Going to them.
Damn! Which is the department
Yeah.
of staff
My building.
where she's gonna do her defense. Ay, nadala mo yung ano mo?
What?
Yung suhol mo?
Oh my god, don't call it suho.
Ay, sorry, yung ano mo, yung chocolate.
Yeah, it's there.
Nandito,
So,
okay.
yeah.
Guess, napaka-supportive ko naman at ano.
The best boyfriend in the world.
Yes, that's me.
Yes.
So yan guys, medyo umiinit na.
Like, I'm nervous.
You're nervous?
Yes, I'm very
You're nervous? Here ka sa loob. Hindi naman. Pag may nakatapat na camera, hindi ka kakabahan. Bibidyohan kita mamaya ka. Ay guys, baka pala hindi nyo nakikita. Hawakan mo. Guys, for it,
Yes.
buy my merch in the link down below.
Grabe guys, it's my defense and then pinag-vlog pa nga ako. My goodness, I'm so scared.
For context guys, yung thesis niya kasi is on artisanal chocolate. So Malagos, Auro, yun below. It's the defense is at 10 AM. It's currently around 9:35 AM. So 25 minutes till the presentation. Wow, 25 minutes lang. Guys, yung kasama ko dito nang hihina na daw. I think wala pa kasi siyang kain. Hindi nag-dinner kagabi. Tapos malapit na kami sa UPLB. We're finally here at, where are we, love? Ay, we're not yet here. There. Ano tawag dyan? CDC. Ano name ng college? Ay, it's not your college? Totoo? I thought it was, your college. Okay, not yet pala, love. Not yet pala, guys. Okay. Yes. She can see it. She can see it. It's there. Ano tawag dyan?
SEM.
SEM?
College of Economics and Management.
You ready, love? Are you ready? I think she's ready, guys. I think she's so ready.
I'm so ready to finish. Let's get this over with.
You're so done.
Yes. Let's get this over with.
Guys, she's sat. She's preparing for her thesis na. Ito guys, babasahin natin.
No.
Ay, bawal basahin.
So this is my paper on artisanal chocolates. It's about consumer perception and purchase intention.
Guys, kakapasok ko na. Inside. Guys, our post-thesis meal. Time for dessert. Alright, time for dessert.
Where?
Everywhere.